What's up, guys? Just got done with work today, sipping on a nice Negroni, and wanted to share some thoughts that I had. So I took my dogs to the dog park today. It was great just getting them out of the house, and there's like a baseball field nearby. So I took them over there just to take a watch whatever's going on. I think it's like a high school girls team or something that's playing, so nothing crazy. And I had this thought when I was like watching that. You see like the parents supporting the kids, and you remember like back in the day when you were in high school, everything seemed like such higher stakes. Now don't get me wrong, like we all feel that there's like high stakes right now in life, but I'm talking about like socially, it's really high stakes. Also, you're doing sports and like people are watching, like you feel that the people around you are very invested in you and what's going on in your life. And as you get older, there's, still your friends and the family, but there's like that sense of community is a whole lot stronger when you're younger than when you are older. And I was just sitting there thinking, I'm like, man, I miss this. I kind of miss like people cheering me on and just feeling like people are watching, like what you're doing actually matters. And it's just an interesting observation and a thought that you kind of have to take an active role in your life as an adult to try to create that community, to get people that rally behind you. And one of the greatest ways to do that is you be the instigator for rallying behind other people. Support them, watch them, and people will eventually come support you and, help be, a fan for you in your life. Yeah, just an interesting thought, guys, because I don't know how old all you guys are, but I'm 36, I'm getting older, and I realize I do want a sense of community. I want the people that cheer for me too. Like I feel like I will push harder for my goals knowing that I have like champions and warriors and people that I care about by my side. So, just a quick thought, end of the day. I'm gonna get back on more videos, guys, but it's hard to kind of balance like doing everything I'm doing. I'm putting out a ton of videos. I was putting out 10 per day, and YouTube kind of penalized me. They're like, in the AI wave of things, it's too many. So I've been putting out less, still getting good views, and very shortly I'm gonna hop back on the AI thing. So it's a lot. I'm only human, and I have emotions too. So I'm doing my best, guys. And love you guys. I know you're on your path and you're pushing too. I'm going to find more content to make your life better and help you to be in a better place day to day. Love you guys.